Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the MacBook Air. Now you can see this is M2 2022 and the chip is the Apple M2. The RAM is 24 gigabytes and 13.6 inch and the storage is 512 gigabytes. And you can see the battery information. The battery cycle count 13 times and the battery capacity is 100%. And let me show you the graphics. The GPU 8 cores and you can see the CPU. The CPU 8 cores, 4 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. And this is midnight color. And you can see the battery only 13 times, cycle count only 13 times. You can see the condition is very good, no scratches. The keyboard no problem. And let me show you the logo surface. Okay, the logo surface no problem. The logo no scratch, only the fingerprint. Okay, and 24 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes storage. Okay, no problem. Let me show you the back. Okay, the back also no problem. You can see the back, no scratches, no scratches. Here is not a scratch. Okay, not a scratch. And let me show you the charging port. You can see the charging port, the two soundboards, and a little bit of traces of views. And let me show you the corner. Okay, this corner no scratches. This edge no problem. And let me show you this edge also no problem. This edge no problem. The headphone jack no problem. Okay, okay, you can see the display no problem. The display no problem. And this is the MacBook Air M2 2022 and 24 gigabyte, 512 gigabyte the storage. And if you want to buy, you can contact me. And also you can see the battery information. The battery's cycle count only 13 times and 100% the battery capacity. And you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. This is a beautiful machine, and you can see the charging port. Okay, see you in the next video.